Hi, I'm pissed at HBO. So I hear you asking, Tommy, why are you pissed at HBO? Well, let me tell you. So setting the scene. 10 years ago, little 9-year-old me loved watching cartoons on Kids WB. One of the greatest freaking streaming services of all time. This was before you paid for streaming services. This is when they were just online. You just typed in kidswb.com and it took you there. You could watch whatever you want. But then it all ended. I call this the pre-pedophile era. You know, you could just have great children's websites without worrying about some dude trying to creep on your kid. Kids WB goes down, or at least it became a very heavily modified version that wasn't good. So me and my sister, that's me and my sister, we decided, hey, we're gonna get Boomerang, which was a subscription service that allowed us to watch all the cartoons we could desire. It had Looney Tunes, Scooby-Doo, Tom and Jerry, Huckleberry Hound, Top Hat Cat, whatever it's called. It had everything, and it was great. I had that streaming service for 10 years at $6 a month. That's not bad at all. And it was everything I could ever wanted. Had it been up to me, I would still have it right now. 10 years I had this streaming service. But guess what? Streaming services ruin everything. HBO bought my beautiful streaming service on September 21st, 2025. I found this out because my roommate and I were watching Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated, arguably the best of the Scooby-Doo franchise. We're sitting there, we're watching TV, we're getting really into the episode because it's a great series, and all of a sudden this notification pops up on screen, completely taking us out of the moment, and it tells us Boomerang is now part of HBO. And there was a bunch of other stuff, but at the bottom, in bright yellow text on a purple background, it said, Boomerang will be shutting down October 31st, 2025. Thank you for all your support. If that wasn't a shotgun to the chest, I don't know what was. So October 31st comes around. I'm thinking it's going to be a situation where, like, oh, you got a few more, like how Netflix shuts down TV shows and then they stay for another month. That's what I kind of thought it was going to be. But no. In the middle of us watching Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated, we were on like we're in like Room in Red or something, Nightmare in Red. We were towards the end of the series. And bang, it goes down in the middle of an episode. And that sucked. That was horrible. So Boomerang gets shut down. We get switched over to HBO. And, you know, it's all right. We get the max plan, which is like $30 a month, but we get it at $6 a month because I've had it for so long. And, you know, it's fine at first. They got rid of some of the classic shows like Johnny Quest and Top Cat and Wacky Races and the Laugh Olympics and Yogi Bear. Or no, they had Yogi Bear. I apologize. But those were shows that we didn't really pay attention to. So we were like, you know, it's not that big of a deal.
It's like the Martin Niemöller poem.
Cut to now, right now, today. HBO has 2 Scooby-Doo iterations. They have 2 installments on their platform. And then 2 movies, one of which is Scoob, which I don't even know if I count that as part of the Scooby-Doo franchise. But the other one is even newer, and I haven't watched it yet, but I probably will. Now, this is a really hard pill for me to swallow. I loved Boomerang. You know, it was so great to me for 10 years, and I really wish I could have it back. But in defense of HBO, they do have some great shows. They got Sex and the City. They got Friends. They got Tim and Eric, awesome show, great job. They got Nathan For You. I think they have Succession. I don't know, but that's not really my jam. They got some great shows. I've been watching Sex and the City lately. It's freaking good. I don't like Big, and I don't like Carrie, but I love Charlotte, and I love Sam. Nathan For You, hilarious. Friends, a classic. But there's one big issue. This is why I got Boomerang. Not this. So I don't care about Sex and the City. I don't care about Nathan For You. I don't care about Friends. Although I love these shows, I want these. I want the classic cartoons. That's why I paid for this streaming service. I don't care about network television. I want my cartoons. But that leads us to the question, is One Little Midwestern enough? I'm just a kid shouting in the Midwest. HBO's not going to change their game plan for me. I really wish they would, and I wish they'd give me Boomerang back. But until I have enough money to buy Boomerang and Hanna-Barbera, not really going to happen. But HBO, you better watch out. I'm coming for you.